In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan documents on your iPhone with Scanner Pro. To begin, open the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. You'll land on the main screen and right away you'll notice a camera button at the bottom center. That's your starting point for every scan. Tap it to open the camera view and your iPhone is now ready to capture your document. Point your iPhone at the first page you want to scan. Make sure the whole page is visible in the frame and try to place it on a flat, contrasting surface so the edges stand out clearly. Good lighting helps a lot. Natural light or a lamp positioned to the side will reduce glare and shadows. Hold your phone steady and parallel to the page. Scanner Pro can automatically detect the edges and capture the page for you, but if you prefer more control, simply tap the shutter button to take the shot manually. After you capture the page, Scanner Pro will automatically adjust the image to make sure it includes the entire page. It straightens the perspective, tightens the edges, and enhances clarity so text is readable. If you see it thinking for a moment, that's normal. It's applying those adjustments in the background to give you a clean, professional-looking scan. Now turn to the next page you want to scan and point your iPhone at it the same way. Keep your pages flat and lined up consistently to maintain a neat sequence. Continue scanning each page, one after another, until you've captured everything you need. If the app auto-captures too quickly or you move accidentally, just steady your hand, make sure the page fills the frame, and take another shot. It's helpful to keep a small stack of pages within reach and flip them calmly so you don't introduce blur or shadows. When you're finished scanning all your pages, tap Save. This gathers every page you just captured into a single document and finalizes your scan. Take a quick look at the thumbnails to make sure each page looks clear and complete before you save. If a page seems off, simply scan it again before tapping Save so your document is consistent from start to finish. That's all there is to it. By using the camera button, capturing each page carefully, letting Scanner Pro fine-tune the image, and saving when you're done, you'll create clean, readable, multi-page scans in minutes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined scanning workflow on iPhone.